Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Hope you all are safe and sound at your places. Dear students, today I welcome you all in Class 1 English Grammar, the chapter These Are, Those Are. In this chapter, we'll understand the use of these and those. So, let us begin with this chapter. Let us understand use of these are with examples. Before telling you the definition, I would like to introduce you with some of the examples of using these. These are my toys. Here you can see we are not talking about one or a single toy. We are talking about many toys together. So we have used here these. These are my toys. Next example is these are apples. You can see there are many apples. These are my best friends. We don't have a single friend. We have many friends. So we have used here these are my best friends. Instead of using this, we have used these. One more example. I hope you all like ice creams. So here I have ice creams for you all. The sentence is these are ice creams. There are 3 ice creams, so we have used here these. Now children, after looking at all these examples, you must understood that these are used for plural ones, means for many things. We use these to show many persons, places or things. So, these are used for the things, persons or places which are near to us. They are not far. They are near to us. This is the definition of this, that we use these for the things which are near to us. Now let's talk about the use of those. Again, I would like to show you some of the examples. Use of those are. Here in this picture you can see some of the beautiful kites. So, those are kites. The kites are far away from us and there is not a single kite. There are 3 kites, so we have used here those. Those are kites. Next example is those are dolphins. Those are shops. You can see here there are many shops. There is a shop named Pizza, Pet Shop, Books, Fast Food, Games, and one more shop is there. So there are 6 shops. So instead of using this or these, we have used those because they are far from us. That is why we have not used these. We have used those. Those are shops. Wow, beautiful flowers. You can see here in this picture there are many flowers. I hope everybody likes or loves flowers. So the sentence related to this picture is those are flowers. Now finally we can reach to the definition of this, that we use those to show many persons, places or things. And one more specific thing regarding this use of those is that we use those for the persons, places or things which are far from us. Okay, they appear far from us. They are not near to us. Whenever we talk about many things which are far from us, there we use those. Hope you understood the use of these are and those are. We'll soon meet with another interesting videos related to your subject. Till then, take care and have a good day.